Number 3. First therapeutic cancer vaccine approved by the FDA.
Prostate cancer is the second leading cause of cancer death in American men. Surgery and radiation therapy can cure prostate cancer, but once it spreads to the bones, the disease is incurable. Prostate cancer is expected to kill 32,000 men this year in the U.S. Hormonal therapy and chemotherapy are commonly used to slow metastatic growth of hormone-sensitive prostate cancer tumor cells, and this strategy generally controls the disease for variable time periods until the hormone-resistant cells proliferate and progress. After these therapies are exhausted, historically there have been limited therapeutic options. Vaccines have long been the dream of cancer researchers for more than a century. Now there is Sipuleucel T. Unlike a traditional preventive vaccine that revs up the immune system to help prevent infection, Sipuleucel T is a therapeutic vaccine given to men with advanced prostate cancer to get their own immune systems to develop a response against the disease. After 15 years of research, Sipuleucel T recently became the first therapeutic cancer vaccine ever approved by the FDA, ushering in a new era in the ongoing war on cancer.